is up, YouTube? It is your boy Dalen the GOAT, and I am back at it with another video with some more heat. Today, oh, I accidentally turned my steamer on, y'all. Today, we got a Hat Club grill in the box. Another one, I know, right after the other one. You know what I'm saying? We're going back to back to back, you feel me? Damn. But we got another Hat Club grill in the box. Without further ado, let's get into it. Man, y'all already know what's next. We get into the fitted of the day. As y'all can see on my head, we got the Hat Club Diamondbacks from the Egyptian pack. A super clean fit. It's really slept on. Really appreciate the two-tone they put up in here. We got a nice royal blue, khaki, and black. Check out that side patch. And then we got that royal blue bottom with that black sweatband. I really love the black sweatband and the royal blue bottom. So I just went ahead and scooped it, you know what I'm saying? Just in case. You never know how these hats be, you know what I'm saying? One day people think they'll panic, you know what I'm saying? So I just go ahead and get it. I liked it anyway. I love Diamondbacks. My name's spelled with a D, so you know what I'm saying? We got the Diamondbacks. I really wish I would have got the Mariners. That was really the hardest one out the pack. But without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so I already know we gotta get into the vibes for today. So, yeah, we're going for the pink apple punch. I love a little citrus smell in the morning. Get them vibes going early this morning. Not really early, but when I woke up, all my packs was at the doorstep, so thankful for that. Now let's get into this. So as y'all can tell by the title of this video, this is a drop from the Sweethearts collection that came out in 2021, at the start of 2021. Now I've been looking for one of these hats for the longest, because when I got into hats, that collection has already passed. I got into hats, well, I've been into hats since that February. Was that February or January? That February going into March of 2021. And I was buying like regular Liz hats, like, you know what I'm saying, that Chicago White Sox and the Anaheim Angels, you know, plain Janes, black rims from Liz. And then my friend introduced me to, you know, the side patches. And my first Hat Club hat was that Green with Envy New York mix. So that was after, you know what I'm saying, Green Eggs and Ham, Peacock, Pink Martini, and Sweethearts. And I saw that Sweethearts, I was like, man, I wish I could have got that. Everywhere I looked, they were going for like $100 to $200. Months later, still going for $100 to $200. And I saw this one on Grill. You know what I'm saying? I bid it or whatever. I sent him an offer. He accepted the offer. And I was like, yeah, finally. Because I put one in for a Pink Martini too. And the guy never got back with me. I'm like, dang, I really wanted a Pink Martini for my birthday. But this one will suffice. But let's open this bad boy up. I'm talking about everywhere was trying to sell this hat for the high. But I found me a decent price and I went for it. I thought he wasn't gonna accept it at first, I'm not gonna lie. Super clean. Without further ado, bam, we got the Hat Club Baltimore Orioles from the Sweethearts collection. And I don't know why I thought this was gonna come back out this year. That's why I didn't buy one, because I thought they was coming back out, but they never came back out. Man, this is a super clean one. I think I saw WYD Johnny with one of these. And I was like, man, I wish I could have got that. But now, now we got it. And check out that pen, bro. That's really why I like it too. That pen is crazy. But now we're finna get to the deep. Also, in addition to that last video, y'all, with my Green Eggs and Ham, my pen finally came. Make sure y'all tapped in with Hat Club, because like if you ever gotten like bought one of these from somebody. This is a green eggs and ham pen. If you ever bought one from somebody and they already sold their pen and you didn't get the pen, Hat Club got a few of the pens on the website. That is a couple of the newer drops and some of the older drops. I know they got the cotton candy and the green eggs and ham on there. They got Fuji's, I think they got Sandstorm. But yeah, make sure y'all tapped in, you feel me? So I had to get this with that hat. Had to. That's mandatory. But yeah, let's get into it. Like I said before, we got that Baltimore Orioles from the Sweetheart collection. We got a nice red cap. This is one of my favorite red caps now. A pink undervisor with the white sweatband. And this patch is really decent though. I'm not gonna cap to y'all. I really like this patch. But I really love the pen. Man. Red button, red New Era flag. Really just a dope hat all around. Like, you cannot go wrong. Yeah, I'm not gonna do too much this video because I got a lot to do today, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna cut it a little bit short, you feel me? Actually, where's this hat from? Bangladesh. How does it fit? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this stuff. It fit good actually. That actually fits good. I'm not even gonna count. Man. But y'all, this has been another unboxing with your boy Dalen the GOAT. Make sure y'all tapped in with me, feel me? Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. Share this video, you know what I'm saying? Follow at Dalen the GOAT at Big League Brims for the details of this giveaway, you feel me? And you know what I'm saying? Thank you for tapping in with your boy. With that being said, peace.